In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under equilibrium level of national income. So we are going to practice with the subtopic savings function. We have three repeated questions practice in this subtopic in equilibrium levels of national income. So the first question I have here says the marginal propensity to save measures the real ratio to change in saving to change in income, where ratio of supply as a result of a change in consumption, average propensity to consume, ratio of change in consumption to change in level of income. So guys, the right answer to this question would be the marginal propensity to save measures the ratio of change in saving to change in income. Option A. Very important, take note of this question. The next question will be this one. It says a fall in the marginal propensity to save will lead to we have a decrease in national income, we have no change in national income, an increase in disposable income, an increase in national income. Right answer is option D, which is an increase in national income. So a fall in the marginal propensity to save will lead to an increase in national income. The last question for end this video with this one, it says which of the following must be true to have a closed economy with no government? And here the value of the investment multiplier still increase. We have average propensity to invest has fallen, marginal propensity to save has fallen, actual saving has fallen, actual investment has fallen. The right answer is option B, which is marginal propensity to save has fallen. This basically can do problems involving savings function under equilibrium levels of national income for your JAMB economics practice with three repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's call the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure a part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button. I'll be getting payment information and help you to excel in your SNE exams, like your JAMB and other SNE exams will be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next corner below. Now I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.